Hi everyone, welcome to my office, and today I have the Keystand, and what this is it's not, the Keystand isn't the item, that's the brand, but it is a snorkel mask, but it's like a whole full face one, so check this thing out. So I got this because some people don't know how to snorkel very well, or they get scared, or their kids and stuff like that. There's the little link on it for the little barcode and stuff, but these work really well. I've used these before. I have one in Dallas, and I use it for my pool, and some people just play around with it there. So now here in Florida, I figured I could get one too, because now I can go in the ocean and everything else. And so let's show you how it is here. So this is the mask itself. You see it's got a nice hard plastic front, and it's really fully enclosed there. And then here's where you breathe and stuff. So you won't get fog in the mask, which is kind of nice, so you're not breathing in the mask, even though it's a full face one. And then back here, you've got the rubber that covers your nose and the little air inlet valve, so you can suck air in but not blow air out, kind of thing. Yeah, so that's what keeps it good. And then so the air goes in through the top. You can get it in this area here, so it's nice fresh air. You suck it in to breathe, and then when you blow it out, it blows out just out the sides and stuff. So let's, or maybe it goes back up through the top. I'm not even sure. We'll try it here and see. And so this is the top of the snorkel, and so it goes in like this. And there we go. And then what are these? These are cool. So this is just, I mean, we're not going to use this right now because I don't have my GoPro. I actually have a GoPro back in Texas, but that's what this is for. So this you could connect on somewhere here. I guess it's just in here and stuff. You connect it on, and you can connect your GoPro, in there with the little GoPro mount. So if you've seen these GoPro mounts, that's basically what it is. It comes with little earplugs too, which is kind of nice. So you can wear those while you're swimming and not clog up your ears. I never seem to have a problem with my ears, but let's try this thing on and see how it does. So there we go. How do I look? Definitely fits comfortably. I mean, I could see swimming around. I could see swimming around this thing all day long. Definitely fits. I mean, it's super comfortable. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me. Okay, so the concept is it sucks in the air through here, and then it blows them out through the sides here is when I'm breathing out. So it's not gonna fog up or anything like that. Oh, it's got a little sticker on it. No wonder I couldn't see out very well. There's a little sticker covering it here. So there we go. So that's kind of how it works. It's super comfortable. Like, look at the back of this thing. It's just, this rubber is super squishy. You can just wear this stuff all day as long as you're not allergic to rubber, I guess, and just be sitting there swimming around. So this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna take this to the ocean and just go and put my head in the water and just start looking at all the fish. I mean, it just makes it so easy. You just keep your head down there all day because you can just keep breathing out the top versus just wearing goggles or something where you have to get up to breathe. So this is good. It'd be fun for, great little snorkel mask and super easy to put together. I mean, all I had to do was put the little piece in, and I can pull it back out, and then there, and it'll go back in the little bag. I like the way it comes with the little bag and everything. If you have ear problems, you can stick these things in your ears, and that'll keep the water out. I don't have that problem. And then I guess it's an extra little silicone piece for this here, so when it connects, if for some reason you lose it or you do something, it'll keep it waterproof, so you won't be sucking in water. But I like it. So this is it's called the Keystand, and it's a snorkel, one-piece face shield snorkel mask thing. Comes with some instructions here on how to do it, but I think we figured it out without even the instructions, because it is super easy. But I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews as I get more stuff. Thanks for watching, bye.